So first what you're going to do is take your middle finger and place it on this very center of the playing card. Personally, I like it doing it on the face, that way the back design is what spins. Especially when you have a deck that looks like this, it looks really freaking cool spinning. So I'm going to put my middle finger here and my thumb on the opposite side. Now that I'm here, I'm going to put my ring finger on the bottom right next to my middle finger and just learn to twist it like this. My ring finger should be able to twist the playing card without my middle finger or thumb moving. If you don't have playing cards on you at all times like I do, then a driver's license or something should work just fine. Plus, a driver's license or an ID or something is going to be a little bit heavier than a playing card, which should work really well to actually make sure you're getting that strength up in your fingers. So now once you have a little bit of strength built up, you're going to pull back toward your palm and then flick away from you. But you're not going to only use the motion of your ring finger, you're also going to use your wrist. Now, it doesn't need to be much, you can just do about this much, but as soon as you get a little bit of it, it does make a massive difference. And after putting everything I said together, you should be able to move cards just like that. Now, clearly this is a really fun move, but if you're wanting to learn that vanish that I did earlier, you can check it out in the video right up here, and check out these playing cards in the description for 10% off. Check out an entire Cardistry playlist right there, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. This is CPM, signing off.